Is outsourcing your screen needs really starting to bug you? Thinking about manufacturing screens yourself? You're sure you can cut costs, save all kinds of time, and maintain hands-on control? Ritescreen, America's top screen manufacturer, has already worked the bugs out of screen production and thinks you should know about all the things that can jump up and bite you. First, equipment problems. A single screen machine capable of doing the job can cost upwards of $50,000, not to mention the manpower required to operate it. Then, by the time you get your screen line up and running, maximum output may only be about 400 screens a day. That's half the capacity of a single experienced Ritescreen screener, and nowhere near keeping pace with your window production numbers. And just when your one line seems to be humming right along, bam! Your machine breaks down and production screeches to a halt. Here's another fly in the ointment. When your screen machine is working, it only does 20% of what you actually need to do to manufacture your own screens. You still have to buy and inventory mesh, frame components, and hardware. You still have to cut the frames, install frame hardware, assemble frame pieces. You still have to attach warning labels, and there's additional handling needed to package the screens. Do you really have time to deal with all these pesky problems? Why not call in the SWAT team from Ritescreen and get all your screen needs without any trouble? Backed by 50 years of supplying quality-built screens and component parts to the window and door industry, Ritescreen's nationwide network of 8 manufacturing plants, totaling over 500,000 square feet, can guarantee you prompt delivery and production capacity to meet your demanding needs. The manufacturing process starts with an extensive inventory of aluminum coil that is second to none. At Ritescreen, we roll form our own aluminum, never leaving us dependent on outside suppliers to complete your order. We have at our fingertips the raw materials to support the production of 30,000 window screens and 10,000 patio screens a day. The aluminum coil is slit into exacting widths, depending on application, readied for roll forming and re-inventoried. Roll forming takes the stock cut coil and through a multi-step inline bending and folding process forms the various styles of lineals needed to produce Ritescreen's extensive product line, a task that requires Ritescreen's roll formers to output over 20 miles of screen frame a day. The stock lineals move quickly to the cutting area for a precise, clean-edged, straight or mitered cut to exacting specifications, checked and rechecked for accuracy. Now, here's the part where Ritescreen has the biggest advantage over any in-house screen operation. Our experienced framers and screeners, the backbone of the consistent hands-on quality assurance you can expect from Ritescreen, whether the application calls for window screens or patio screens. Ritescreen framers prepare and assemble the cut lineals into rigid frames that are perfectly cornered and true to square. Frame finishing consists of a 5-step process that includes punching for hardware, inserting corner keys, adhering warning labels, installing the hardware, and assembling the finished frame. The frames are now ready to have the screening material installed. Using a system that has literally stood the test of time, these screeners roll the mesh into each and every frame by hand. No machine is a match for a Ritescreen screener. Our per-man output is 600 to 800 screens a day, unheard of with screen machines that fall well short, producing at maximum capacity about 1/2 that of a Ritescreen screener. Whether you require stock or sequenced shipments, the finished screens are sorted, counted, and packaged, making your shipment of Ritescreen screens fit effortlessly into your particular window or patio door manufacturing and distribution process. All Ritescreen products arrive ready to go. Ritescreen is already working with some of the biggest names in the business, helping window and door manufacturers efficiently and accurately fit all their windows and patio doors with the best screen products in the world, and at costs comparable or well below what they would pay to manufacture screens in-house, without any of the headaches, hassles, and added responsibilities of integrating and supervising screen production. Ask your Ritescreen representative how we make it simple to work the bugs out of your screen program. Ritescreen. You won't find a more efficient, cost-effective, service-oriented supplier anywhere. Ritescreen. Screening the world.